What's up, internet marketer? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to earn online with an ugly one-page website. Now, this make money online method doesn't require much writing at all, doesn't require any SEO or much of your time for that matter. Now, before I begin, make sure to like and subscribe to support the channel and to get more video tutorials just like this one. And don't forget to watch the video until the very end to get my template, to get 3 more case studies in 3 different niches, and to learn to do this faster and much cheaper. So here is my ugly one-page lander, okay? Now, as you can see, there's no background, okay? It's all white, okay? Now, this is for a product that I promoted, a product that I actually use myself when I create POD, printables, and KDP low content books. I use this maze generator. It had a lifetime access, but now that's gone. Okay, so I promoted it. Today was the deadline. Anyways, I'm going to show you this case study and how I was able to generate traffic to this lander and profit with this offer. Now, actually, I sent lots of traffic to this page using several different sources, not only my email list, but also Facebook. Also, I use Pinterest. But I'm not going to talk about those different traffic sources because, you know, I already have a following. I already have well-established accounts, so that's not fair. I want to talk about just simply the newbie side, okay? And as you can see right here, this is my Google Ads account, and I actually did a PPC for like a day, a PPC, which stands for pay per click. Basically, I pay when someone clicks on my ad, okay? Now, as you can see, I made 3 sales. It says 3 conversions, okay, 3 conversions. I spent about $10. This is 1,300 yen. That's about $10 right now, okay? And each sale is worth $18 for a total of $54 off of a $10 spend. That's a pretty good return on investment, okay? Now, I spent about 80 cents per click. That's pretty steep. I'm gonna show you how to do it much cheaper later on in this video, okay? So I sent these 3 sales. As you can see, these are the 3 sales I made, okay? Using only this traffic source, okay? Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you and show you all my sales and say it all came from here. No, I made 3 sales from this traffic source, okay? And the cool thing is, you don't need a following. You don't need an established account on Pinterest or whatever to do this, okay? You can do this right now, okay? And the cool thing is, like I showed you, you can do it with an ugly page, just like this one. Most of this is pictures, images that I got from the actual sales page. See, all these images I created myself on Canva, but the other images I showed you, they came off the sales page, okay? And I just copied them and pasted on my lander, and then I created a little video. In the video, I just explained what the product's about, okay? Just me talking about the software and how it works, okay? And I have a little bit of text here, and in this text, I just again explain what the software is about. Just your job is not to sell. Your job is to help and inform people. Okay, so you as a marketer, your job is to let people know what something's about, okay, and help them help them choose whether or not a particular method, a particular course is right for them or not. Okay, that's all you got to do. Okay, so I use this one-page site, and you can use any page builder to create this. It's not difficult. I use Thrive Themes. Actually, I'm sorry. I use Thrive Architect. It's a one-time fee. I have more information about this later. But yeah, you can use any type of page builder you want. Okay? Very simple, very straightforward. Okay, so if you want to advertise on, let's say, for example, Google Ads or any other major platform, you're gonna need these. You're gonna need these different pages, okay, at the bottom of your one pager. You need a terms of use, contact us, privacy policy, and FTC. Now, if I click on terms of use, let me show you this right quick. You're gonna see all this text. You're like, oh, I can't afford a lawyer. You don't need a lawyer. Check this out. If I click the edit page, okay, check this out. Click the edit page. I'm gonna wait for this guy to upload. There's only a little snippet of code here. Okay, I created these pages using these free plugins. Okay, so I have this one here, WordPress auto terms. Okay, you upload this to your WordPress blog, and you can create these types of long form legal documents that you need to do ad spend, right? You also got contact form 7. This is the same one I used to create this contact form. Okay, this contact form. Let me show you right quick this contact form right here. Okay, I don't know how to do any coding, any of that. You just take the code they give you and plop it into your page and publish it. Okay, it's that simple. Okay, so now that you understand, you can actually drive traffic to a bridge page, a bonus page like this one, and all you need is these essential pages, so that Google or any other platform for that matter, approves your ad. So the thing we have to understand now is how to find these different types of offers. Okay, so here I am on ClickBank. Now if I put in Japanese, for example, click search. Okay, you're gonna look for gravity. Okay, you want to make sure that at least 5 people are selling it. Okay, gravity is not showing you how much the traffic is converting. It's just showing you how many people at any given time is selling this product. Okay, this is at 9.1 over here. Okay, now if you check out the actual offer, you want to see if it has an affiliate page. Really important. You want to click on the affiliate page, and you want to find out if you're allowed to incentivize the sale. Very important. Also, you want to make sure that the product will pay you at least, okay, at least $20. Okay, so here it's $18, a little bit lower, but it's basically there, right? So here you want to make sure it pays you at least $20. I know I broke my own rule, but this is almost 20, right? Okay, you also, like I said, you want to check if they have an affiliate page. Any good vendor should have an affiliate page giving you all the resources you need to sell their product. Okay, so I could log in here, and you should look around to see if they, like I said, allow you to incentivize. So on my bonus page here, I show you, I actually give people bonuses to have them purchase through my page, my ugly one pager, right? Not only do they get the really good software that helps them create these mazes, but they get bonuses that coincide with what this product does. Okay, so I actively sell printables, PODs, low content material online, and my bonuses help them with that. Okay, that's one example. You can do this in any niche, by the way. Okay, so when you're looking through the affiliate page, you want to find out if you're allowed to incentivize the sale. Okay, and if they don't have any information, then you should contact them. So for example, here's this affiliate manager's email. Contact them and ask them if you can incentivize the sale. Once you do that, once you understand that's the case, you create your one-page site, so your one-page lander. It can be any page builder. I use Thrive Architect. More information about that later. And after that, you add bonuses that you can deliver to your target audience after they purchase. Okay, really important. Okay, some affiliate networks like Warrior Plus will deliver the bonuses automatically. Some like ClickBank, you got to do it manually. So it's really case by case. Okay, so whatever it is, make sure that you deliver on what you promise. Really important. So after you get the okay that you're allowed to incentivize, you've chosen your offer that's over $20 and has at least 5 people promoting it at any given time, then you're off to the races. You build out your page And I recommend using material you find off the sales page. So I want to click on the actual offer here. Okay, rocketlanguages.com. Okay, and I would use, so see, they collect leads here, for example, and when they collect leads, if they convert a lead, you get $104. That's really cool. I would use these images. I would use wait, let me opt out of here. I use a screen capture tool like what is this called again? The screen capture tool. 1 second. Awesome Screenshot. Okay, I use Awesome Screenshot for Chrome. I would capture the images I want to use for my bonus page. Right? I might use this. Click capture. Okay, done. Download, and then add it to my sales page. Okay, really easy stuff. Once you're done doing that, so this is, what is this product called? It's called Rocket Japanese. Let's say, for example, it's called Rocket Japanese. Okay, once you know it's Rocket Japanese, you're gonna want to click on your Google Ads account and then click on campaign. Click new campaign. Okay, click on create campaign. Click on search. There's different types of advertising you can do. I do retargeting as well, but I'll talk more about that later. Click continue. Okay. Okay, then in the next page, you're gonna name it. So let's put Rocket. You're gonna unclick display. Click show more settings, and then really important here, you're gonna click the countries you want to target in. So you're gonna click and enter another location, and let's say, for example, you're gonna target people in the United States who are interested in learning Japanese. Okay, now this is very important. Location options, you're gonna uncheck people in and show people in or regularly in your targeted locations. Really important. Make sure the target language is English. Audiences, don't worry about this. Okay, budget, how much you're gonna spend per day. Let me go back. Budget, how much you're gonna spend per day. Let's say $10. Okay, that's 1,000 yen is $10, by the way. Conversion, really important. You're gonna want to track your conversions. So wait, actually, I take that back. You wanna go to clicks. Okay, for bidding, really important. For bidding, you wanna click clicks, and you wanna click manual CPC. Manual CPC, really important. Okay, and then you're gonna go to add, save, and continue. Then you're gonna name your first ad group, add Rocket, for example. Okay, and your default bid, how much you're willing to pay per click. So let's make this, I don't know how popular this product is, so let's say it's 20 cents a click. Okay, and this is really important. You're gonna put the product name in a phrase. Okay, so Rocket Japanese. Okay, so you're gonna assume people are searching for this particular product. Now, the reason why I'm confident in selling these types of products is because people searching for them, they already know what they want. They're further along the buyer process, right? People who are looking for how to study Japanese or how to learn Japanese, they don't know exactly what they want, right? But when they're looking for Rocket Japanese, the name of a particular product, they're looking for, Rocket Japanese review, Rocket Japanese tutorial, Rocket Japanese demo, Rocket Japanese demonstration. So I want to just put in Rocket Japanese, and Google later on, as I am advertising, is going to give me all of the information I need about this particular, about the types of keywords people are using. Now here, I'm going to put in my URL, right? So for example, it would be this page, okay? And then I would start putting in my headlines. Is Rocket Japanese worth it? Okay, for example. Learn Japanese fast. get ready for your trip. You know, try to get into the mind of the people you're targeting, right? Your description, really important. In the description, I like to use what they give me on the sales page. So make sure Japanese speakers can understand. You know, fix it up a little bit, but you just want to use information that they give you on the sales page, right? Dump that in there. That's a little bit too long. Make sure Japanese speakers can understand you, like that. Add another description, then save and continue. And your ad should get approved in a day or two, okay? So that's how you do it. Now, to help you out with this, I want you to check out the link below and check out Quantum Commissions, where this guy named JK is able to do this with 5 cents a click. As you can see here, I'm paying up towards, I'm paying $1 to 80 cents a click. And in this example, I'm suggesting paying 20 cents a click. Truth be told, you can do this for much cheaper, okay? And that's what you learn inside of Quantum Commissions. You also learn how to create a 2-step funnel, okay? On top of that, I'm throwing in my special bonuses. You're gonna get my best converting landing page, just upload and use. The other bonuses I'm gonna be offering is how to do quantum retarget for best converting traffic. So I use, as you can see, I use Google Ads. This is PPC, but my best performing type of paid traffic is called retargeting traffic. I'm gonna show you how to do that if you get Quantum Commissions via this link. On top of this, you also get my pin and video ranking toolkit. So this method also works with free traffic. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I do this with free traffic as well. But with paid traffic, any newbie can get started right away, okay? On top of that, I'm giving you my complete free traffic guide for videos, pins, and posts. I'm just giving you a lot of value, and on top of what you get with Quantum Commissions, I'm very impressed with this. So I urge you to check it out down below. Check out this link and see if this is a right fit for you, okay? Let me know what you think. Take care and have a good night.